Choo choo! You like that? Oh man, there's a... I ordered these from eBay for about $120. There we go.
Go rock star. My girl. Rock star. My girl. Rock star. Man, I feel just like a rock star. My girl. Rock star.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special package for the Duramax. We already got the tail lights, so we have to get the headlights now. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what kind of headlights I got. I ordered these from eBay for about $120. There we go. Voila. Just look at it. Just look at it. Nothing special. The reason why I got these is because if we look at the stock ones, they have orange reflectors. I don't really like the orange reflectors, and I thought these would be a lot more smoked out. But what I'm gonna do is I may take the factory ones that I have now and maybe like retrofit them. Either I'm gonna retrofit them or I'm gonna get somebody to build me like a custom set of headlights. But these will do for now. I just wanted like overall clean look instead of getting halos or even like those U-bar shaped headlights. I think they look cool, but I just wanted something simple with no LEDs for now. Eventually, what I want to do is I want to build a set of headlights that are kind of really similar to like newer style GMCs. Maybe 2 LEDs running here, or like a C-shaped LEDs. I know what you're thinking. You guys are probably telling me that there are headlights out there that have the LEDs that run down like this. For some reason, I'm not a fan of them. I don't think they look that good. One thing I'm gonna say is that it's gonna take me about 30 minutes to install these headlights, whereas my old truck, it took me like 10 minutes. Even though it's gonna take a lot longer to put these headlights in, one of the reasons why I got a newer style truck is because, or newer style GMC, is because I actually I kind of didn't really like how easy it was to replace the headlights. I wouldn't really say I didn't like how easy it was. It was just, it didn't feel very sturdy, and it felt kind of cheap. And especially with certain headlights, with a lot of aftermarket headlights actually, you can touch the headlights and just you can wiggle them, and there's a lot of play. And I didn't really like that. And even with factory, they moved a lot. So I'm glad the newer style, it's much more secure. Yes, it's gonna take a lot longer to remove your headlights because more bolts that you gotta undo, and you gotta undo the grill and stuff like that. But I do like how it's more secure now. Here it is, check it out. The new clear smoked headlight versus the stock ones. To remove the headlight, all you have to do is undo this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and then you wanna, there's a bolt right there. If you look in there, can't really see it, it's getting dark. There is a bolt in there You do have to pull out the body panel just a little bit to get to that bolt. But other than that, it's pretty simple. Everything kind of pops out pretty easily. And then undo these bolts and then take everything out and then put your new headlights and then just bolt everything back on like you did. Alright, so we are on our way to one of my favorite locations to shoot or do drone shots, as well as kind of talk about some of the stuff for my truck. It's a pretty quiet location. However, it is windy outside, so I don't know how well that's gonna go. And my truck is really dirty because it's just been raining for the past week or so. I haven't been able to wash it. Actually, no, I did wash my truck pretty thoroughly about a week ago, and then a day later it started raining. So me washing the truck probably caused this really crappy weather. I am going to show you guys what the headlights look like. I absolutely love the way they look. Only thing I would change is I may put some projector headlights inside, or I may put some projectors inside and maybe modify the headlights a little bit like I talked about earlier. But other than that, I really just love the simplicity and the look of my headlights right now. Before we get to the location, I do want to talk about the truck meet on December 1st. It is at Tim's Harley Davidson of Augusta. The time will be 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock, maybe 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Depends on, you know, how everything goes. If you buy a VIP pass, I suggest you come around 3 to 3:30 so we can get you all situated. And if you don't want to register online, you can register that day and get a VIP pass, but that's only if we have a spot available. And also it will be $30 on the day of, whereas it would be $25 if you register before the truck meet. It is totally up to you guys on how you want to do it. If you want to risk it for the biscuit and pay $30 on the spot, but we may not have any spots available for you that day, or you can just reserve one for yourself online right now. If you want, you can message Augusta Truck Meet on Instagram. It's gonna be, I mean, we're gonna have plenty of vendors. We're gonna give out a lot of raffle tickets, and the prizes are amazing. You get 500. One of the prizes, it's $500 off Anthem wheels. We have a $250 towards a leveling kit or a bed liner at Dealer Options. Local clothing shop, like an outdoor clothing shop, they're gonna be there. They're gonna be giving away or raffling off their hats as well. So, and then we got plenty of light bars, rock lights, just a lot of stuff to give away, you guys. So make sure to come. And we do sell raffle tickets, but if you buy a VIP pass, you get 20 raffle tickets. So I think that's a pretty good deal right there. You get to park in a VIP parking and you get raffle tickets. Give me a few minutes and I'll show you guys the headlights. Just heads up, it might be windy, so sorry for the noise. But here it is. Just cleared, smoked headlights. They are looking amazing. Look at that. I am gonna get some LEDs in there, and I'm thinking about doing a switchback. So that way during the daytime it'll be white LED, and then with the turning, it'll turn amber. Next thing I gotta do is I gotta change that to black. I don't like having a red GMC logo now that everything else is kind of coming into a place of chrome and black. So, and then one thing I want to show you guys is I got rid of the valence. And to be honest, with the newer trucks, I thought they were attached to the bumper, and then I just looked under and I was like, huh, they're just held up by like 16,000 little tabs and bolts. So I just undid them, and truck looks 10 times, 100 times, 200 times better without the little valence. Also, it looks taller. It looks taller now. I do want to get rid of the steps because I do read your comments, but I don't want to get rid of them because I don't want to mess up the leather seats, and also my girlfriend really likes the steps. And another thing I like about these stock running boards is that they kind of, in a way, protect your paint from rock chips. So for now they're gonna stay, but once I put it on 9 inches of lift, I'll probably get some amp steps. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Truck's looking great. Haven't had it a month, but the truck's looking pretty good, I would say. Got the Punisher decal on there. It wouldn't be my truck without the Punisher decal. Tail lights, I'm gonna smoke those out too. The GMC emblem and the Sierra emblem. I'll either, you know, classy dip them or whatever, or I'll debadge them. Only thing I'm scared of is I don't want to really debadge them because I'm just kind of scared that, like, underneath it, you know, I'm kind of traumatized from what happened with my old truck. And this plastic piece, I'm gonna go get one of those trim restore, and it's gonna come back to true color. After I do that, I will be doing the same thing with the bottom part of the bumper. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? The new headlights, the valence delete. I mean, how do y'all like the way the truck is looking so far? But I gotta say, the tow mirrors, it's one of my favorite parts of this truck. The switchback tow mirrors, man, I didn't care about switchback on my last truck, but having it on this truck, it's beautiful. So huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts for providing me with those tow mirrors. Go check them out. Their mirrors are awesome. But if you made it this far, make sure to subscribe and then give it a thumbs up. Just smash that like button, and don't forget about the truck meet on December 1st. Make sure to check out Augusta Truck Meet to stay up to current with what's going on. I have a lot of vendors coming. I have about 10 vendors coming out, and they are going to be giving away free stuff. It's going to be a good time. I can't wait to see you guys then. Peace.